And we're back again with a new video. I hope everyone's doing well. Today, I'll be breaking down 3 easy to start side hustles that can make you hundreds to thousands of dollars while you sleep. But before we get started, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Now, the first side hustle on our list is growing a following on Instagram. Growing an Instagram page to me is like building a family and creating connections. Whether those connections come from giving someone a daily spark of motivation, providing daily side hustle tips, and/or helping someone grow their page, I see all my followers as being part of a big family of side hustlers. Now, when it comes to growing your Instagram page, the most effective way you can increase your follower count is by advertising your page on other pages that already have a strong following. Setting up a few paid promotions can boost your account's following by the thousands, and honestly is the fastest way to grow your page. Going out and promoting yourself on the top pages can gain you followers. However, to keep the followers, you'll need to be posting content that provides value and one might find enjoyable. It's essential to realize that your fan base comprises of real people, and you must create and nurture relationships with them. Now, when it comes to making money from your Instagram page, there is a surplus of ways you can earn, such as selling physical products like t-shirts, canvases, workout equipment, and so on. Selling digital products like ebooks and courses. Selling paid promotions and sponsored posts. This will require a strong following. Driving traffic to your affiliate links, blogs, podcasts, and/or services. Now, growing an Instagram page has become one of my favorite side hustles, which is why I will be starting a playlist strictly focusing on developing your Instagram page. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. The second side hustle on our list is vending machines. The vending machine industry can be one of the best options if you're seeking a robust, passive source of income. It can come with low risks, flexibility, reduced involvement, and a high growth potential. The vending machine side hustle is straightforward. Start with finding a good location for your vending machines. This can be community centers, apartment complexes, sports facilities, libraries, and so on. But what makes a location suitable is the foot traffic. When looking for a location, the ideal foot traffic would be at least 35 full-time employees for an office building, at least 15 full-time employees and 70 customers for a retail location, at least 4 employees and 60 units for an apartment building, and at least 40 full-time employees for a warehouse. Once you've found a suitable location, you'll want to ask the manager or owner and present your offer to place a vending machine in their facility. Understand, you do not even have to have the vending machine bought yet. You can let the manager or owner know that the vending machine will be arriving within 4 to 6 weeks, and place your order for a vending machine the day the agreement is set. Second, you'll need to identify which kind of vending machine you want. Most of the time, your budget will determine this for you. An essential tip will be to make sure you purchase a vending machine that accepts credit and debit cards. This can increase your sales drastically. When looking for vending machines, you can find good ones on eBay and Amazon. You may also want to search for wholesale suppliers to buy the machine and equipment. Some suppliers will even restock the machines for you if needed, meaning less work for you. When it comes to making money from your vending machines, understand that one well-placed vending machine can make you thousands of dollars a month. You can make money by buying food in bulk from Costco and/or BJ's and resell each item for $1 to $1.50. You can sell more niche-based products such as beauty products, laundry products, and/or hot beverages at large arenas, malls, airports, and hospitals. The third side hustle on our list is investing in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a great side hustle to help position yourself for creating wealth, putting your money to work, and retiring early. For those who are unaware, investing in dividend stocks simply is buying a stock from a company and then getting paid a ratio of the stock each year from the company for holding their stock. When starting out, the first thing you want to do is find a platform to invest from. Webull is an excellent platform for both those who live in the USA and China. It offers paper trading and advanced charts and comes with 4 free stocks. Schwab is a platform for global use that has excellent learning plans. The goal is to find a platform that works best for you. Second, you'll want to create an investing script. Within your script, you should address the amount you're okay investing and how often you will be investing. Third, research which company you want to invest in. Research both the company and industry reports. Gather in-depth knowledge of the company. Perform a fundamental analysis. Research the company's leadership and make sure their values align with yours. Other tips to keep in mind: just because a company has a higher dividend payout does not mean it's a better stock. The history of the payout and growth of the company are most important. Now, making money from dividend stocks is simple. For each dividend stock you own, you'll receive a dividend yield, which is a ratio of the company's share. This share can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. Payout ratio and payout dates are company dependent. I found it best to just keep reinvesting these dividend payouts so that I continue to get paid more and more year after year. Now that's it for this week's video. 3 things before you go. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments section which side hustle you're thinking about starting. Also, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys again next week. Don't forget to subscribe.